Fox 49 weather with meteorologist Matt Hefner, certified by Weather Rate for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks 7 years in a row.
Well, Matt, when it's windy like this, I always get frustrated about the hairdo. But you said your tie was hitting you in the face, and that's got to be more annoying.
Yeah, I was walking out to the car. I had to hold my tie down because it kept smacking me in the face as I was just walking out in the parking lot. I mean,
you should take a page out of Dan Lucy's book. In order
yeah?
to not spill dinner on his tie, he tucks it in between his buttons on his shirt.
Or tie clip. I've got one of those too. That works.
There you go.
See, Dan's a professional, right? I'm the new guy. I'm the rookie. I haven't learned this stuff yet. I still got some things I have to learn, and you know, we'll get there eventually with the tie expertise. But man, it has been cold. It has been windy. Winds right now at 12 miles per hour sustained. They're starting to switch, right? We started off yesterday, fast winds out of the south. Today, the majority of the day, we had fast winds out of the west. And then when we get into tomorrow, we're going to have fast winds out of the northwest. But look at these chilly temperatures, 56. Very cold, just tanking on the backside of this cold front. The warm temperature today actually occurred at noon. We hit a high of 68 for the high temperature here in Springfield. And then once that cold front came in, temperatures really started to decrease and get colder. And it's going to be the story for the next couple days is colder temperatures that are going to be here before we start to warm up into the middle of next week. And it's all because of this guy right here, this powerful low pressure system. This is something in meteorology we call a mid-latitude cyclone, and it's nicknamed a comma cloud. You can see, follow my finger with this kind of rain right here. You can see the path of a comma that's taking shape right here. And what it's going to do for us is, yeah, we already experienced that rain. We already experienced that cold front, but a lot of clouds are going to wrap in behind this system and push into our area. That's what you can see right now is these clouds are starting to sneak back into our area. It's going to make tomorrow a very cloudy and very cool day, but it's going to be dry. We're not expecting any rain because we already got that rain that came in last night early in the morning and really places down south. You're saying, what rain? It didn't rain for you guys. It was places north of I-44 that got the bulk of that rain. In Springfield, you got a whopping 0.08 of an inch of rain, not a whole lot. And for the places that saw the most of the rain, still wasn't a big washout either. But close to a quarter for those places that saw the heavier amounts of rainfall. Getting in tonight, we're going to stay dry. We're going to stay cool. Temperatures in the upper 40s. Those winds are still going to be gusty. They can gust up to 25 miles per hour. So if you're outside, like Chris Pinson, he's outside tonight. Chances are when he's going to be on 1st and 10, you'll see him with 2 coats. You'll see him with the gloves on, and that's what you need to be staying warm in these cool temperatures that we're experiencing. And then tomorrow, these are not the lows. These are the highs in Springfield, a high of 58. I don't think we hit 60 on Saturday. I don't think we get into the 60s on Sunday. And bad side about all that cloud cover that's going to be here is we're going to have a solar eclipse that's going to be happening around noon tomorrow. Hopefully, the clouds allow us to get a glimpse of what's going to be happening, but the Earth, the Moon, and the Sun are all going to align, and about 63% of that Sun is going to be blocked by the Moon. Some places down southwest of us, kind of Corpus Christi, for example, are going to get a perfect ring of fire with this Moon moving right in front of the Sun. But if you get photos of that, send it in to me. I'd love to see them. And, well, this cold weather, it's going to be here, and it's going to be locked in for the next couple days. And when we get to the middle of your work week, the jet stream is going to start to push out, and some warmth is going to return, but not really very warm that's going to be coming. We're talking about temperatures that are going to go from the 50s now to those 60s. I like our chances to hit 70, though, on Wednesday. And then after those warmer temperatures come on Wednesday, we're looking at a chance of rain on Thursday before things are going to get cool once again for the next weekend. Mike?
Fall is finally here. Thanks, Matt.